Alan Spector back with you, and every Tuesday and Thursday at this time, we bring you Olson on Law with veteran Orlando attorney Tom Olson. And there he is now. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
All right, Tom, our topic this morning, falling trees. Specifically, if your neighbor's tree falls on your house or car, Tom, who's responsible to pay for the damage done?
Well, assuming it was an act of God, nobody saw that it was coming, then if your neighbor's tree falls on your property or your car, you are responsible for paying for the repairs to your house or car, or hopefully your insurance company would pay for those repairs.
All right, well, how about this? My neighbor has a dead tree in his yard. Am I supposed to just wait around for it to come crashing down?
Alan, if you see that your neighbor has a dead tree or a dead branch or a diseased tree, then you should write that neighbor a letter by certified mail advising him of that problem. If you do that and then your neighbor's tree falls down and does damage to your house or your car, your neighbor would be legally responsible to pay for that damage.
All right, one more question here. My neighbor's tree has branches hanging over my property line. Can I trim them?
Alan, property law says that your property boundary goes down to the center of earth and up into the sky. So any branches or roots of your neighbor's tree that comes over onto your property, you are allowed to trim them as long as you are reasonable.
Well, I'm nothing if not reasonable. If you have legal questions, Tom, I know you'll be happy to answer them on the Olson on Law show, heard Saturdays at 10 a.m. right here on News Radio WFLA Orlando. Tom, thanks very much, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olson Law Group in Orlando.